Hello viewers. Okay, in this video sociology subject we are going to discuss. Okay, in that chapter 3, that is the family. Okay, here types of family we are going to discuss. Okay, what is the types of family, how many types is there? In previous video some types we are discussed. Okay, in this video types of family on the basis of size and structure. Okay, the size of family or structure of family. Okay, these depends upon the family will be divided into 4 types. Okay, here the family will be on the basis of size and structure of generations. Okay, structure of generations, how many generations is there, or how much size is there the family, that will be depending upon the family will be divided into 4 types. Okay, in that first one is the joint family. Okay, first one is the joint family. Second one is the nuclear family. Okay, third one is the extended family. Okay, fourth one is the blended family. Okay, these are the 4 types is there in the family. Okay, here in this first one is the joint family. Okay, when we are called as the joint family, okay, how many members is there in that family, means here the joint family having father, mother and their children. Okay, one father, one mother, okay, and their children, next and their grandchildren. Okay, first children is there and grandchildren is there in the family. Okay, those are depends upon the life under one roof. Okay, these group of people. Okay, first parents, next their children and their grandchildren. Okay, these 3 generations of people living together in a single roof of family. Okay, in a single roof of structure of family. Okay, in that they are cooked together. Okay, they are preparing food together. These 3 generations of people eat together. Okay, they are cooking group of people in a such type of house. Okay, in that single house, single roof. Okay, 3 generations of people is there in the family. Okay, these 3 generations of people eating together. Okay, the cook prepared by a one place. Okay, that type of family we are called as the joint family. Okay, next one is the nuclear family. Okay, in this nuclear family, here mother, father and their children. Okay, mother and father, their children. Okay, these are members living together, or these are living in a single roof, and these are members will be cooked in a same place. Okay, then we are called as the nuclear family. Okay, next one is the extended family. Okay, in this extended family, how many members is there, means here the group of people or the first generation or second generation or third generations of people living together, but they are taking food separately. Okay, they are living together in a single house. Okay, one portion or 2 portions is there in a one family, means one house having 2 portions. Okay, these 2 portions, it is a single house. Here the group of people is living together, but they are eating separately. Okay, one portion people eating one single way, another portion people preparing their own. Okay, like that the food will be separate, but they are living together. Okay, that type of family we are called as the extended family. Okay, next one is the blended family. Okay, in this blended family, the parents or the step parent. Okay, stepfather or the stepmother, Okay, the children or the group of people living together, but the mother will be stepmother or stepfather or step parents to the children. Okay, this type of family we are called as the blended family. Okay, this is regarding types of family. Next we are going to discuss about joint family. Okay, joint family. What is meant by joint family? When we are called as the joint family, how many members is there in the joint family? Means here the joint family definition, joint family is a group of people. Okay, in the joint family, not single person or the two members. Here group of people is there in the joint family. Okay, in that group of people who generally live under one roof. Okay, in a particular house only one roof is there. Okay, one roof is there in that particular house. Under the one roof, group of people living together. Okay, next here those people are eat food cooked. Okay, they are taking food, they are preparing food under the one place of one hearth. Okay, same fireplace area, single fireplace area, they are preparing food by cooking. Okay, next here the group of people having the property is common. Okay, in this group of people the property is under the hands of who is the head of the family. Those person is holding that particular property. Okay, here the persons are participated in the common workshop. Okay, in a family, in 3 generations or group of people is there. Okay, in that the persons are participating in the family members. Anyone needed any help, those people means the group of people will be involved in a particular help. Okay, here the joint family means group of people living together. Okay, the group of people is preparing food under the single fireplace, and the group of people taking food under the single roof. Okay, the group of people property will be under the control of who is the head of the family. Those person having the particular rights on a property. Okay, this is regarding joint family, means one or more generations or 2 or 3 generations of people. For example, grandfather, grandmother or grandparents, next parents, next children, sometimes grandchildren also. Okay, group of people, 2 or more generations living together. Okay, those people needs or basic needs will be fulfilled by one head of the family. Okay, those group of people property will be under the control of head of the family person. Okay, here the group of people living together, the group of people eating together, the group of people involved in a particular work. Okay, this is regarding joint family definition. Okay, next one is the characteristics of joint family. Okay, characteristics of joint family. Here the characteristics is the first one is the depth of generation. First one is the depth of generation. Another one is the common roof. Okay, next third one is the common kitchen. Okay, fourth one is the common property. Fifth one is the arranged marriages. Okay, sixth one is the procreation. Seventh one is the cooperation. Okay, eighth one is the religion. Okay, these 8 characteristics is there for the joint family. Okay, in that the first character, depth of generation. Okay, here what happens means in this joint family have a one depth of generation. In that mainly 3 generations is there in the family. Okay, first one is the grandparents compulsory is there. Okay, grandfather and grandmother is there in a particular joint family. Okay, next second generation, that is the parents, like mother and father. Okay, after that third generation, that is the children. Sometimes the fourth generation, grandchildren. Okay, grandchildren are the male child or the female child. Okay, these group of people living together. Okay, in the family 3 or more generations, 2 or more generations of people living together under the single roof. Okay, those people are eating together, then only we are called as that family we are called as the joint family. Okay, next in this common roof. Okay, common roof, it is one of the second characteristics of the joint family. Okay, here the common roof, nothing but the group of people, the 3 generations of people, grandparents like grandmother, grandfather, parents, mother and father, children, son, daughter, okay, grandchildren. Okay, these group of people living together under the single roof. Okay, in a particular house only single roof is there. In that 3 generations of people living together. Okay, it is a one second characteristic of joint family. Okay, next third characteristic, that is the common kitchen. Okay, first generation is the grandparents, parents, children, grandchildren. Okay, these 4 generations or these 4 types of people or the family members eating in a same dining hall, or the food will be prepared by the same fireplace, that is the same kitchen or single kitchen. Okay, here who are prepared that food means who is the eldest woman is there in the family. Okay, who is the eldest woman is there in the family or head of the family, female woman who is there. The female woman will be take the authority, or she is do the food or cooking or preparing food to the all group of people. Okay, in a particular single kitchen. Okay, who is the eldest family, eldest woman is there in the family. The woman will be prepared food for the all group of people. Okay, she is only supervising the food or kitchen. Okay, now how many members is there, how much food we are prepared. Okay, the food will be equal distribution done by this eldest woman. Okay, the food is available to the all people or not. Okay, who are living or how many members living in a family. Okay, those people or those persons are eating food. The food is sufficient or not. Okay, if sometimes the food is not available means she only responsible for that loss of food or empty of food. Okay, she will be prepared food or she will be sufficient food will be prepared by her and to the all group of people. Okay, next if in the kitchen items which is lost or which is used, which is needed, okay, which is unnecessary, those type of doubts will be cleared by the eldest woman who is there in the family. Okay, this is the third characteristic regarding joint family. Okay, next one is the common property. Okay, in that common property, the group of people is there now, 3 generations of people in a particular house. Okay, in that property, the 3 generations of people doing some work, they are earned some money. Okay, this money or these savings should be under the control of head of the family. All family members should be trusting upon the head of the family person. Okay, for example, grandfather is there in the family means the property will be under the control of grandfather only. Okay, in that how much money we are earned, or how much expenditure we are doing, or how much amount of money is there. Okay, regarding that the function should be done under the control of grandfather. Okay, next one is the arranged marriages. Okay, in the joint family, okay, they are doing some of the marriages by arranging. Okay, the grandparents or grandmother or grandfather, they are doing or they are conducting some marriages by their own like and dislikes. Okay, some qualifications or some rules, some regulations they are arranging. Okay, according to the rules and regulations they are searching the males or the females for marriage. Okay, for example, their grandson marriage. Okay, in that grandson they want to marry with granddaughter. Okay, some qualifications they are searching. Okay, she is well educated, or she has some amount of property, or she look like a beautiful, like that they are preparing some rules or regulations or some qualities, some characteristics they are searching in a females. Okay, after that they are conducting the marriage. Okay, by arrangement only. Okay, next in this sixth character, procreation. Okay, in the joint family the persons are able to reproduce. Okay, the reproduction of your children is increased in this family. Okay, next one is the cooperation. Okay, in this cooperation means joint family having the so many member of persons. Okay, in that number of persons they are having the one feeling like we feeling. Okay, all are having the we feeling. Okay, and they are doing like work unity based. Okay, depending upon the unity only they are doing some work. Okay, don't delay the unity, or all are having the one feeling like we feeling. Okay, next one is the religion. It is a last characteristic regarding joint family. Okay, in that religion what happens means they are follow or they are believe some type of practices. Okay, sometimes in that religion Muslims is there, Christians is there, Hindus is there. Okay, depending upon their religion their beliefs will be different. Okay, in the 3 generations following the same religion. Okay, grandparents is there in the family, those are giving some type of teaching to the grandson that this is our religion. Okay, we are believe this type of customs, like that they are giving some of the training to the grandsons or the granddaughters. Okay, these are the characteristics regarding joint family.